How to fix YouTube something went wrong, tap to retry error on iPhone or iPad. Getting this type of error on YouTube can be frustrating, especially when you are trying to watch your favorite videos. This common issue can be caused by network problems, app glitches, or device settings. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix this error. Let's dive in. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection is the main cause of this error. Next, first close the YouTube app by switching it away from your recent apps, then reopen it. Apply this trick for several times. Make sure your YouTube app is up to date. For that, launch your App Store, search for the app YouTube. After app appears, click on it. With that, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve this error. Next up, clear cache for the YouTube app. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps. Find the app YouTube. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Offloading app clear cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. VPNs and proxies can interfere with YouTube's connection, so disable any VPN or proxy service temporarily and check if the error is resolved. Sometimes the problem is on YouTube's end. Visit a site like Down Detector to see if YouTube is experiencing server issues. If there is an outage, you'll need to wait for YouTube to fix it. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is completely delete YouTube app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press on hold on the YouTube app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Once you delete this app from your device, launch your App Store, search for the app YouTube and install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.